Thanks for holding on till we get here.
A couple 100 meters up around the corner when we hooked.
Really? I was wondering why you're down here.
Come forward.
Nice work.
Wow.
Did you say 75?
75.6 pounds, yeah.
Wow. That's like a dinosaur. That's unreal. That's amazing.
That's my biggest fish in 30 years of fishing.
That's amazing.
Ready, set, go?
Perfect. Thank you.
Going away.
Woo! Nice work.
Nice work, buddy. That's huge.
That is huge.
That's huge.
Well, I got some good shots. Thanks for the call.